Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with Digistore affiliate marketing. I'll share my strategy for generating hundreds of thousands of dollars using nothing but 100% free traffic and high-traffic websites. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to create an account on Digistore by using the link in the description. Once you're registered, you'll have access to over 8,000 different products in 44 niches, offering commissions of up to 70%. Now let's find a product to promote. Navigate to the Marketplace section and explore the different categories. Whether it's business, dating, fitness, or internet marketing, there's something for everyone. Look for products with high commission rates and compelling sales pages. Once you've found a product, click on it to review the sales page. Ensure it aligns with your audience's interests and offers value. It's also important to note the refund policy, which can build credibility with potential buyers. Next, grab your affiliate link from Digistore. This unique URL will track your sales and commissions. Now let's talk about driving traffic to your affiliate links. One effective strategy is to leverage social media platforms like Gab. Create a group on Gab related to your niche or product. With over 10 million monthly visitors, Gab offers a vast audience to tap into. Write a compelling post promoting the product, making sure to include your affiliate link. You can rewrite product reviews found online to avoid copyright issues. Once your post is ready, share it in your Gab group. Engage with your audience and encourage them to click on your affiliate link. With consistent effort, you'll start seeing commissions roll in. Remember, success in affiliate marketing requires patience and persistence. Keep testing different strategies and refining your approach. And most importantly, take action. That wraps up this tutorial on Digistore affiliate marketing. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Digistore for free.